Troy McDonald with Coldwell Banker Realty here, bringing you more stunning views of our beloved Stuart, Florida. As we journey above the Stuart Boardwalk and the waters of the Lucie River, a site that truly embodies the spirit of our vibrant community. Just like the river, real estate here flows with dynamic opportunities, from charming homes to luxurious properties. Stuart has something to fit every dream. I've immersed myself in understanding Stuart's unique real estate landscape. It's more than a job. It's my passion, and that's why they say Troy knows Stuart. I work tirelessly to ensure that every one of my clients finds their perfect home, and I'd be honored to do the same for you. Whether you're buying or selling, remember, when you're with Troy, you're with someone who knows Stuart, and someone who genuinely cares about your real estate journey.